As the first rays of the sun kissed the horizon, Anita stepped into her backyard. The air was crisp, carrying the earthy scent of dew-kissed soil. She bent down, fingers sinking into the cool, dark earth as she prepared to plant seeds for her new garden. While digging, a thought crossed her mind. Isn't life just like a garden? Set your vision, the bloom you desire. Anita closed her eyes and imagined her dream garden. Vibrant sunflowers reaching for the sky, fragrant lavender swaying in the breeze, and juicy tomatoes bursting with life. She smiled. That vision was crystal clear, and it gave her direction. Lesson: start with the end in mind. Picture your goals as vividly as Anita visualized her garden. What does success look, smell, or feel like for you? Prepare the soil, your foundation, before planting. Anita tilled the soil, removing stones and weeds. She added compost, enriching the earth with nutrients. Without healthy soil, no seed could thrive. Lesson: clear the clutter in your life, old habits, limiting beliefs, or distractions. Build a strong foundation by cultivating self-discipline, learning new skills, or seeking mentorship. Plant the seeds. Start small. With her hand steady, Anita planted each seed carefully. They were tiny, almost insignificant, but she trusted their potential. Each one had a purpose. Lesson: start small. Your first step might feel tiny, but it's the seed of something extraordinary. Whether it's writing a paragraph, saving $10, or walking 10 minutes daily, plant that seed. Water consistently. Daily actions. Every morning, Anita watered her garden. Some days, the sun was harsh, and other days, the rain did her work. But she remained consistent, ensuring her seeds got what they needed. Lesson: success thrives on consistency. Daily actions, no matter how small, nourish your goals. Keep showing up, even on days when you don't feel like it. Be patient, growth takes time. Weeks passed. Anita checked her garden eagerly but saw nothing at first. Still, she trusted the process. And then, one day, tiny green sprouts emerged, filling her with joy. Lesson: goals, like seeds, require time. Stay patient and trust the process. Growth happens beneath the surface before it's visible to the world. Celebrate the harvest, the reward. Months later, Anita stood in her flourishing garden, basking in its beauty. She plucked a ripe tomato, its fresh scent filling the air, and took a bite. It was sweeter than she imagined because she had earned it. Lesson: celebrate your wins, big or small. The journey shapes you as much as the achievement itself. Your garden awaits. Imagine your life as a garden. What seeds will you plant today? How will you nurture them? Remember, every dream begins with a single seed and a heart ready to grow. Drop her in the comments if you're ready to start your goal-setting journey today. Subscribe now and share with friends and family. Let's build a community of growth for all.